Local news for Wednesday the 23rd of August. A third-generation Wairarapa pilot has added a new twist to the family tradition by practising anti-submarine warfare on an exercise in Guam. Flight Lieutenant Simon Mackay, a former Rathkill College student, was a member of the RNZAF detachment that took part in exercise GuamX, a two-week Guam-based training exercise at the beginning of August. Flight Lieutenant Simon Mackay says conducting anti-submarine warfare requires some of the most accurate and demanding flying skills, and it was exciting to be doing it somewhere quite different. Pukaha Mount Bruce is celebrating the beginning of this year's breeding season with the hatching of 6 Pātiki ducklings. Hatched over the weekend in the free flight aviary, the ducklings can now be spotted out and about in the aviary pond. The free flight aviary at Pukaha was opened just over a year ago and houses not only just Pātiki, but also a breeding pair of whio, kaka, red-crowned kakariki, bellbirds and tui. This year, the aviary will also become home to Pukaha's captive geckos, and there are plans underway for a purpose-built gecko enclosure to be housed in the aviary. Todd Jenkinson, Conservation Manager, says we're pleased to see that the Pātiki have not only embraced their new home, but they also are in an environment that they are comfortable enough in to produce ducklings. And in sport, the inaugural Hurricanes Heartland Under-20 team played their first game last weekend, and whilst they went down to Wellington's Under-19s 21-12, it was 2 Bush players that were noted as top performers, Brad Griffith and Maris Sam Siossi. The Wairarapa College also will host fielding this Saturday, the semi-final of the Co-Ed Cup competition, and the annual farming school grudge match takes place today at Trust House Memorial Park at 2 o'clock between Taratahi and Smedley. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.